how to create league and start FPL journey today. Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. So if you head over to your application Fantasy Premier League, you will not be able to find the feature or the option where you'll be able to create a league. If you really want to create a league, then head over to Fantasy and then tap on Join League. In order for you to create a league, one link will be provided to you. All you gotta do is click on this link. It will open up your account in any of the website. Now head over to Leagues and Cups. Tap on Create and Join New Leagues and Cups. Now click on Create a League and Cup. Now simply enter or create a name for your league. Once you have entered, you can select your scoring starts. Once you have selected, tap on Create. Wait for a while. And there you go, the league has been created successfully. You can see 2 of the leagues has been created till now. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.